it's been a while. Sorry for the silence. I have moved house and it took a while to get settled. So I moved just over a week ago. As you can hear, this is very echoey. And this is the first video I'm filming in this house, so I might run into a few problems here and there. So please do forgive me. So yes, I moved and I couldn't get a video out before I moved, and then I was very busy moving and working full time, which I haven't done in a while. So last weekend I could have filmed a video, but I was too busy being a couch potato and being very tired. So here we are. I'm finally sitting down making a video. A few weeks ago, Norm from Tokyo Lens, if you don't know the channel, go check him out, cause he's awesome. He makes really awesome videos about Tokyo and the surroundings of Japan and all that. But he also asks very interesting questions, such as, where were you 2 years ago? And that really made me think. And the reason why is because so much has happened to me in the past 2 years. So in July 2017, I had just left my student house in Leeuwarden behind. I was literally gearing up to go to England, which I went a month later in August. And also in August I started this YouTube channel, so we're almost 2 years in, guys. Wow. Carla actually upholds something. Woo! And when I went to England, that was with the idea of going abroad for a year, then coming back home and starting a career and such. In July 2018, I went to Croatia with my Australian boyfriend. So things changed quite a bit over that period, because I met the love of my life and I decided that I wanted to be with him, and that meant going to Australia because he had to go home in September that year because his visa ran out. And me as an EU person, I could stay in England indefinitely until Brexit finally does something, but he obviously couldn't. So the easiest thing was for me to go to Australia. So I did. But not before I went to New Zealand as well. So I traveled New Zealand, then I spent 5 weeks in Australia and decided I wanted to come move here. Then I went back home, then I went to Sweden for New Year's, just in between. And then in February this year, I moved to Australia. I'm on a working holiday visa and I will be doing my 2nd year holiday visa as well. So I'm here for at least 2 years, and what we're gonna do then, we'll see. So what's gonna happen in the next 2 years, ask me in 2 years, because then I can probably make another one of these videos, because who knows what happened by then. So a quick backstory to why we moved is because of my farm work. We were really looking to go interstate because it's winter and there's just not a lot of work in the Victoria area. But it was so hard. I looked for like 2 months and we couldn't find any work. I applied for like 30 jobs and no one replied. So basically how my job search in Melbourne went as well. Not very good. This stupid hair doesn't want to stay put. So then his uncle made the remark that he knew a cherry farm where I could work. And I was like, wait, is there a postcode in this area I can work? Because I knew that basically the whole Yarra Valley is off limits. Like, you can work there, but it doesn't count towards your 2nd year visa. But turns out there's literally one postcode in this area where I can work for my 2nd year visa. So that is why we moved out this way, and I got a nursery job because I wanted to get work experience before I had to go do my farm work, and everything is working against me today. The light is going away and my battery is dying, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. So yeah, we moved to a different area on the other side of Mount Dandy, and yeah, we're very happy here. It's a really nice environment and we're very happy with the house. We are decorating piece by piece because moving is expensive. And we didn't have a lot. We had a small house. We had a very small house. I'll show it now. Like, literally it's the kitchen and bathroom there, and then that's the living room. That's it. So when the weather clears up a little bit, I will try to show the area around here because it's really, really pretty. And other than that, I will see you guys very soon.